Good morning, students. Welcome to online learning. In last video, we discussed sentences and its classification. Today, we shall discuss the affirmative and negative forms of sentences. Sentences can be affirmative or negative. Affirmative sentences affirm or state something, means gives negative meaning. Affirmative meaning. Negative sentences deny or negate something, means gives negative meaning. We shall just see some examples of affirmative and negative sentences. Yesterday, there was terrible fog in Delhi. Affirmative sentence, giving positive meaning. This is something that happens every winter. Another example of affirmative sentence giving positive meaning. No plane could take off from the Delhi airport. An example of negative sentence giving negative meaning. I will never travel in January again. Never gives negative meaning. Another example of negative sentence. Now, declarative sentence, interrogative sentence and imperative sentence can be in the negative form. But exclamatory sentence is written only in affirmative. Exclamatory sentence has no negative form, but declarative, interrogative or affirmative sentences can be written in the negative also. Examples: I could not have written this letter. Declarative sentence. Couldn't you have come earlier? Interrogative sentence. Do not be late again. Imperative sentence. So, we have gone through the example of negative sentences in declarative, interrogative and imperatives. Now, a sentence. Negative sentences can be changed into affirmative ones, and affirmative sentence can be changed into negative ones without changing the meaning of the original sentence. So if we have a sentence, affirmative sentence, we can change it into negative, but the meaning of the original sentence, the second sentence, negative sentence will have the meaning of the same meaning as the affirmative sentence. Meaning will not be changed. In the same way, a negative sentence can be changed into affirmative without changing the meaning. From a few examples, we can understand this little more. Dhruv is more generous than me. Dhruv is more generous than me. Affirmative sentence giving positive meaning. I am not as generous as Dhruv. I am not as generous as Dhruv. Negative sentence but the meaning remains the same as the affirmative sentence. I am not as generous as Dhruv means Dhruv is more generous than me. Another example, Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. No mountain peak in the world is as high as Mount Everest. Negative. First sentence was affirmative, second is negative. So, no mountain peak in the world is as high as Mount Everest means Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak in the world. One more example we shall see. Everybody was present in the meeting. Affirmative sentence. Nobody was absent in the meeting. Negative sentence. But meaning is the same. Everybody was present in the meeting. All were present in the meeting. Now, everybody we change into nobody for negative. And present, in the negative sentence we use the opposite of present, that is absent. Nobody was absent in the meeting. Nobody was absent. That means everybody was present. So the meaning remains the same, but by making some changes in the sentence, we converted it to negative but kept the original meaning. One more example. Akbar was the greatest of the Mughal emperors. Affirmative sentence, superlative degree. Now we shall change it into negative without changing the meaning. No Mughal emperor was as great as Akbar. No Mughal emperor was as great as Akbar. That means Akbar was the greatest Mughal emperors. Now, when we use or change a sentence into negative, we generally add not along with the auxiliary verb. By using not with the auxiliary verbs, we make a positive sentence into negative. Now, when not is used with negative, auxiliary verbs, it can be also used in its contracted form. So we shall see some of the negative auxiliaries and its contracted form. Do not. The contracted form of do not is don't. Contracted form means shortened form. Does not, doesn't. Did not, didn't. Must not, mustn't. Could not, couldn't. Are not, aren't. Would not, wouldn't. Were not, weren't. Should not, shouldn't. Will not, won't. W-O-N-T. Won't. Shall not, shan't. S-H-A-N-T. With apostrophe. So, to make the negative word in its short form, we omit some letters from the word, and instead of the omitted letter, we use an apostrophe there. That means one or more letters are omitted. So, this shortened form or the contracted form of negatives are commonly used. So, it is better that you learn these contracted forms by heart. I hope you understood today's class. We shall wind it up for today and continue it in the next class. The chapter is not over. few more topics are there that we shall learn in the next class. So thank you everyone.